Hola, ¿qué tal amigos? Aquí nos encontramos en el Salto de Agua, la cascada bastante alta. Ok, te la muestro. Alright guys, we're here at the waterfall, el Salto de Agua. The water jumps. Let's go. And so you can swim anywhere over here. Even some people over here, they can get in the water. Beautiful, super clear, green, blue water, right? Turquoise water. And look at that waterfall. Amazing. ¿Sí? Increíble, ¿no? Y se puede nadar, ¿eh? Se puede meter en agua. Pero lamentablemente no traje mis cosas para nadar. Y nada más se requiere un chaleco. So it's necessary to go down there with a life jacket because they don't want any problems. So amazing nature, yeah. And the water continues. There's more waterfalls down there, and I will show you that one too. I think it's called El Meco, right? All right, have fun guys. If you like this video of Mexico, please give it a like and subscribe. Si te gustó el video, por favor dame un like y suscríbete. Ahí está, el Salto de Agua.